How to get PayPal money off hold instantly. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To get the PayPal money off hold instantly, firstly you should know why is the money actually on hold. If you have not verified your identity, that is the most common and the major reason why the money is on hold. This is for your own safety and to prevent fraud. And here is what you need to do. However, we cannot guarantee it is instant. So, firstly, you have to verify your identity. If you have not yet, provide the necessary document to verify your identity, such as verifying your email or providing them password or citizenship that can verify you. Once done, then you can contact your PayPal customer support. If you are using a browser, you can click on the three horizontal line and tap on the Help option, after which you will be redirected to the Help Center of your PayPal. In here, you can type in Money on Hold. After which you may find similar articles here, where you can also check out for some of the solutions. But make sure to verify your identity first and foremost. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.